The 2015 edition of Rally Mexico witnessed what is still, to this day, one of the wildest moments in WRC history. And while Ott Tänak and then co-driver Raigo Molder escaping unharmed from this heart-stopping roll into a lake was incredible enough, what happened afterwards was perhaps even more unbelievable. The pair's M-Sport Ford Fiesta ended up submerged 5 metres beneath the surface for over 8 hours. That was until the salvage crew turned up to finally winch it out from what we all thought was its watery grave. But amazingly, M-Sport weren't ready to give up on their drowned Fiesta just yet. They were determined to have a crack at getting it up and running for the following day's action. The mechanics had a mere 3 hours to drain and rebuild the wrecked Fiesta. Engine, gearbox, differentials, everything, it was all full of water. And as repair jobs go, it was pretty unprecedented. But 30 minutes before the allotted service time expired, the engine finally fired into life. Unsurprisingly, electrical problems did plague the remainder of Tänak's rally, but between the mechanics and the Mexican sunshine, the pair was still able to take part in the final day. And miraculously, the man jokingly called Ott Tänak was able to make it to the finish of Rally Mexico 2015.
It's crazy, you know. It's running again, and it's really nice to be back on the stages.